This is the brief on student mindfulness training and its cognitive benefits. All right, this is basically about simple daily practices designed to boost your focus, increase calmness, and help you manage stress better. How? By actively engaging your brain's control center. Okay, first up, let's talk about the science behind it, right? Mindfulness, it's really just about choosing to pay attention on purpose, right here, right now, and kind of non-judgmentally. Doing this actually strengthens your prefrontal cortex. The PFC? That's your brain's main control center for focus. And when that's strong, it helps calm down the amygdala. Think of that as your brain's quick react alarm system. So how do you actually use that control center? Well, second, think about your breath. It's like the remote control for your brain. Seriously, breathing in, that's the gas pedal. It kind of activates things. Breathing out, that's the brake. It helps you calm down. Simple practices like, say, triangle breathing, inhale for 3, hold for 3, exhale for 3. These are real, practical ways to train yourself to respond instead of just reacting. And finally, sticking with it? Yeah, consistent mindfulness really pays off, big time. It's not just about building emotional resilience or getting better self-control by lowering anxiety. The academic benefits, they're totally real. We're talking better concentration, sharper memory, doing better on tests, and even seeing those GPAs go up. So really, practicing regularly, it's like giving your brain this amazing superpower for lasting focus and calm.